Today, I want to show you 5 different ways to make your own photos and videos sync up with the beat of a song. Option 1. Open up a new Capcut project and import a video. Now hit the plus sign and we're going to add some music. I'm choosing a song that I have stored on my phone. Now drag the song all the way to the left so it matches your clip. At the bottom, you're going to click Beats, and here you have the option to auto-generate beats. I'm going to click auto-generate, and this takes a few seconds. Now you can see you have all of your beats, and you can adjust the amount at the bottom. I'm going to go right in the middle. Now if you look at the bottom music clip, you can see yellow dots. That is where every beat happens in your song. For this first option, I am going to cut the video at each beat in order to add a transition to each time. To cut your video, you click the split button at the bottom. Now let's add a transition to each of the splits. Apply the transition to all clips. Let's see it in action. Option 2. With the same video and the same song as I previously used, this time I'm going to add a sticker. I'm going to turn the sticker into an overlay by clicking on it and clicking the overlay button. Now drag the star all the way to the left-hand side. And now I want to shorten the clip. What I'm going to do is add this star every time the beat changes. So I'm going to copy this overlay a whole bunch of times and move the star around. So every time the beat changes, you'll see a star flash. I'm going to click on each of my stickers, and as they're highlighted, I'll move them around the screen. Let's see it in action. For our third option, we're going to import a white screen and apply an effect to it to make it look like a flashing effect. All I did was import a picture of a white background and then click overlay to make it an overlay. Once it's an overlay, click it and highlight it and move it all the way to the left so it matches the beginning of your video clip. With your clip highlighted, go to the Effects tab at the bottom and choose the effect you want to apply. Now with that clip highlighted, drag the right-hand side to make the clip shorter. You can also click on the clip and change the intensity of the effect. Now we're going to do the same thing as we did before, where we're going to copy this effect and apply it to every time the beat changes. Highlight the clip and click Copy. Let's see it in action. For option 4, we're going to use the same video clip and the same audio clip as we used previously. We're going to apply a video effect by clicking the Effects button and choosing a video effect that we want. Once that effect is created, make it shorter, and we're going to copy and paste it into every time there's a beat. Let's see it in action. For option 5, we are going to apply an effect at the beat for photos instead of videos. So I'm going to import a whole bunch of photos, maybe about 10 or so. Now once the photos are imported, they're all going to be the same length. If we want to apply an effect at each beat for the photo to change, I just need to hover over the yellow dot and then click Split. That will split the image, and you'll just delete the right-hand side that it's split. While I'm doing this, I also wanted to mention that I chose a different song for this one, and it's going to be a much faster beat song, so the pictures should flash pretty quickly. Let's see it in action.